Hey, this is Anvil, your metal fabrication factory, offering aluminum alloy tube processing services. This video is meant to showcase our motorcycle fork outer tube. It is a component of the motorcycle fork assembly that connects the front wheel axle to the motorcycle frame. This tube-shaped structure is typically made of metal, such as aluminum alloy or steel, and possesses sufficient strength and rigidity to withstand the weight of the front wheel and the pressures encountered on the road. The primary function of the motorcycle fork outer tube is to support the front wheel while providing motion and shock absorption capabilities for the motorcycle's suspension system, resulting in a smoother and more comfortable ride. If you have any queries about this remarkable product, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to assist you every step of the way.